Today we will learn what are namespaces in PHP, what are the benefits of using namespaces, and how to use namespace in PHP code. We know that in PHP it is not allowed to declare two classes with the exact same name in a single page. We use namespace to solve this naming issue with classes or constants in PHP. In order to understand it easily, we can compare it with a situation where we try to create two files with exact same name inside a folder. So here I have a folder named parent-folder. Open it. Let me create a file sample.txt. Once again try to create a file with same name sample.txt. See, the operating system is not allowing to create two files with same name. Delete these files. Now we will do one thing. Create two subfolders in this parent folder, sub1 and sub2. Now go inside sub1. Here create a file named sample.txt. Coming up, go into sub2 folder. Here also try to create a file named sample.txt. See, here we are able to create a file with same name but in two subfolders. Namespaces in PHP serve the same purpose. It allows to declare two classes with same name in a single PHP page but under different namespaces. Let us see how we can use namespace in PHP code. Here I have created a project folder named learn-namespace under my Apache web root. I have opened the same folder in VS Code editor. The folder contains three files: index.php, humans.php and animals.php. Index.php is empty right now. Humans.php contains a class named biological details with a public method show lifespan inside it. The show lifespan method returns a string. Human lifespan is 80 to 100 years. Animals.php also contains class with exact same name, biological details, as in humans.php, which also have a public method inside it, which in turn returns a string. Animal lifespan is 10 to 20 years. Now I will call index.php in browser, which is empty right now. Now let me include humans.php and animals.php in index.php. So include animals.php humans.php. So we have included the two files. Now save the file, and if we reload the browser, PHP will throw an error saying cannot redeclare classes. What is happening here is, as we have not specified any namespace for the biological details class inside the humans.php and animals.php, PHP will try to put them into global namespace, and two classes with the same name under the global namespace will throw an error. So what we can do is put the two classes under different namespaces. Similarly, as we put same file name into different subdirectories earlier. Now we can do it like this. Open humans.php file, put this biological details class under humans namespace like this, namespace humans. Now biological details class inside the humans.php is under humans namespace. The same way, go to animals.php and put biological details class inside the animals.php under animals namespace like this. That's it. Save the files. And now if we reload the index.php file, you can see the error is gone. Now let's see how we can access these two classes and create objects from these classes. So let's go into the index.php. Let's first create an object from humans.php class. Let's name as human is equal to new. Here you put the namespace first, which is humans, backslash, then name of the class, which is biological details. Now we have created an object from humans biological details class. Now we will access the public method show lifespan within the biological details class under humans namespace. So human show lifespan, it is a method, semicolon. We will put an echo here. Save, and if we reload, it is returning the string human lifespan is 80 to 100 years. In the same way, we can create an object for biological details class inside animals.php, which is under animals namespace. Let us name it as animal new. Here the namespace is animals, backslash, biological details, echo show lifespan, semicolon. Save the file, reload. Here we are getting the second string. So we are able to use the same class name but under different namespaces. You can also make use of use statement to shorten this class name like this. So use humans biological details. Let's give it an alias like this, like human biological details, shortened as HBD. Same way, animals, let's give an alias as ABD. Now new HBD, new ABD. Save the file, and if we reload again, you can see it is still working. So in this way we can make use of namespaces in PHP to use same class name under different namespaces. So we have seen two major benefits of namespaces. They allow programmers to group related classes under a common namespace. Hence we are able to organize our code better. Also, namespaces helps to solve naming conflicts between classes. Hope you have find this video useful. Subscribe to the channel for more similar videos. Thank you for watching.